It's not sinking in yet. I'm gonna go get a glass of lychee juice.
Cora, the meditation's not over yet.
Daddy, can I have some lychee juice too?
No.
Playing in a pole-bending match! Can you believe that?
I'll get her myself.
See Pabu the fantastic fire ferret as he crosses the ladder of peril. Upside down. Big finish, buddy. Stick the landing. Ta-da! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You are too kind. Seriously, too kind. You can come back here and put money right in this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Not to mention evading arrest. You're in a whole mess of trouble, young lady.
So, what'd you think, Cora? Bolin's got some moves, huh?
What did I think? What did I think? That was amazing!